All right, we're in Ohio and it rains. I'm telling you, like every day. It's been raining for weeks. It's been in the mid 70s. It'll hit the 80s for a day and then back down. We have a pool, haven't been able to use it. What the heck do you do when all it does is rain? Where are we?
We're in Las Vegas.
Yeah, there it is. This must be James.
Just bump the camera.
Oh,
There we go. Yeah.
boom.
Okay.
We have arrived.
Hey, finally.
Hello, Trevor.
Oh. Room review of this beautiful suite on the 31st floor, number 203. Let's see if anybody's home. Oh, hello.
Hello.
So as you walk into the door, we've got this beautiful, it's just called a chandelier. I call it a chandelier. In this huge foyer, and if you walk in, there's a nice table here to set your keys. I would say your money, but you probably lost all that at the casino. And if we come back around, are you hiding in the corner?
Yes.
We have a little bathroom in here. Sink, nice mirror, and a place for you to do your business. Next, as we continue on, a spacious living room with, again, another beautiful chandelier, a table for four if you want to get some room service or just bring some leftovers or buy some food to bring it back to the room. And you have a nice living area with a couple chairs and a couch and yet another beautiful mirror above the couch. As we pan back, we have an armoire and a nice big TV. And this is a desk, so if you're in Las Vegas and you want to still do some work, you can do a little bit of work. If you want to come over here and stock your bar and make yourself a cocktail, we have a 3-seat bar, complete with another TV behind it, a sink, and down there, you all know what a mini fridge is, so I'm not going to open it. There's a mini fridge, an empty one, for you to put your waters and stuff in there. So it's not the hotel mini bar that you don't want to touch. Because like this stuff here, all this stuff is delicious, but it costs $1 million. So I recommend you stop downstairs at Walgreens and get your own. Now we have 2 double doors here that go into the bedroom. Did you want to show in there?
Well, it's another menu. It's the one that costs a
There
lot
it
of
is.
money.
Can you open it up?
No.
Give it open.
No.
She's afraid to even open it because she's afraid a vibration might move something and we get charged for it. All right. This room's a little bit dark for now, but we'll see in a second. Nice bed. Comfy bed. Love this. A little seat at the end of the bed to help you sit down, put your shoes on. There's a chair in the corner. Another chair over here. And of course, huge dresser with another TV. Tons and tons of drawers. Storage space. I mean, this place is top of the line. And then as we continue in here in this little hallway, we have a nice closet for you to hang all your stuff. There's a luggage rack, an ironing board, and then another smaller closet which houses the safe. It's safe to say that's where you would keep your money if you have any left. And then, as I turn around, ladies, check this out. You have this nice seating area, beautiful mirror, lovely vanity mirror to put your makeup on. So this space is all for the ladies. And then as you walk in here, we have the bathroom. Beautiful sink with, again, large mirror. Another sink. His and her sink area. And this shower has got not one, but 2 shower heads. All the amenities. A little shower bench to help if you need to shave your legs. It's always helpful. And then this door right here houses the water closet, toilet, and again, another telephone. I don't know who's using this phone in the bathroom, but check out these amenities. Right here, there is a toothbrush in here. This is a complete shaving kit. We got lotion. They provide you with toothpaste, soap, and there was a little thing of hairspray that my wife took. Of course, you get your robes for in-house, and then after a long day at the casino, if you come back and you're tired, this delicious looking jetted soaking tub with another mirror above it, plenty of towels, more body wash. They got it all. Here's the little hairsprays that they provided for us. And out here on this vanity area, cotton balls, Q-tips, pretty much anything you would need. If you stay in this room, you don't have to worry about forgetting something. And then, everybody wants to know if there's a view. One button opens the curtains. You can hit all, and look what's happening in the bedroom. Banza. They both go up. Check out the view. Look at, it's a mountain view. It's also a strip view. We got Treasure Island. The window's a little bit dirty, but Trump Tower. Back there, if you could see behind the Palazzo, is the all-new Resorts World. So we pan this way, you got the Mirage. You can see the Venetian. Again, we're on the 34th floor. Vegas is back. Lots of hustle and bustle down there. The beautiful pool area. And if you can see off in the distance there, that is the pool, one of the pools for the Palazzo. And then finally, I'm just going to walk into the bedroom to let you know what your view is from the bed. So I just jumping in the bed here, and there you go. Look at this. I'm relaxing in the bed, and there's a beautiful view right outside. And I'm thinking later on tonight, I'm hoping, I don't know if we can get this in a little zoom. That is the Mirage Volcano. I'm hoping it's not blocked by that building. We're going to find out tonight if we can see the volcano show. But I tell you what, 5, maybe 6 stars all the way on this room. Get a little zoom on the pool. Down there. So Las Vegas. Vegas, baby. The Venetian. And it is loaded with all the crown molding in every room. All the details on the wall. Plenty of artwork. You can't go wrong here. Highly recommend it. So, this is the, I don't know, 1-bedroom suite, I guess. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and smash that thumbs up. Give us a like. Subscribe to the channel if you like all these travel videos. Tonight, we're eating at a delicious restaurant, and you'll be able to check out those videos. So we will review all the restaurants we eat at this week and let you know how the food is. So, from Vegas, we will see you soon. Thanks for watching.